Hey guys, Cameron Duke here, and we back with another video. And guess what I made yesterday? I made a YouTube silver play button. It's just paper and cardboard, and I wrote YouTube reward to Cameron Duke Pokemon 500,000 subscribers. Also says on the inside 500,000 subscribers. And it says YouTube reward to Cameron Duke Pokemon. And it's just a little standard cardboard box with that. And this took about 3 hours to make. I know that was the hardest part. I had to cut that, measure it, I had to measure the ends, tape them together, measure the back, not going up, and I had to tape the insides. I'm gonna put it in a frame. This is not the frame, but hopefully me and all of us can get to 100 subscribers in 2 months. If we can do that, guys, I'd be so happy, and it'd be great for all of us to have our own bronze award that YouTube just gave out. It's for 100 subscribers. It's a YouTube reward for 100 subscribers. So if you guys can get there in 2 months, I'll do a challenge. And if you guys want me to do another Lego challenge or something like that, then I'll do that. But if you want to, maybe we could do some other the bunny challenge or something like that, and we could do that if we get to 100 subscribers in 2 months. So hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.